Scooter here with Raney's. We here at Raney's are big fans of the headlights made by Extreme Vision. They put out a shine that simply can't be matched. And guess what? They've wowed us again, introducing the brand new Extreme Vision Blackout Half Moon Headlight. Let's take a closer look at it. These Peterbilt headlights are a completely unique design with their bright white daytime running light features. Complete with a sleek, black inner housing, these headlights add an aesthetic of beautiful mystery to your rig. The low and high beam LEDs are bright and clear with reduced glare, and the beautiful amber blinker LEDs give a bright turn signal to other drivers. As always, these are DOT and SAE approved. They're an exact fit for Peterbilt 379 models, and the unique mounting brackets are also included. They're also compatible with these Peterbilt models, with some slight simple modifications. Do you want to see where you're going clearly and keep your rig looking slick? Well then, Raney's has you covered. Turn trailers and turn heads with the turn signals on these Extreme Vision Blackout Half Moon headlights. You can buy them single or as a set, as long as you visit us in-store or at Raneys.com. And if this half moon headlight isn't quite your style, why not check out this other headlight video right here?